Hello folks, welcome to another video and thank you for joining me. Today I'm at Brayford Wharf in Lincoln and it's the big Mini Day 2023. This is also the fourth video in the series of me restoring my Mini Clubman R55. So let me show you around it and show you what we've done so far. Starting at the back of the car, the rear doors were quite rusty as I showed you in another video, so they've been off the car, they've been completely repaired. We've got new chrome trims, new chrome handle, and we've painted the bumper and the light surrounds in the chocolate brown colour, the same as the rest of the body. I'm converting this to a Mini Mayfair, the Mini 50 years edition. They made a Mini Mayfair hatchback, but they didn't make a Clubman. The Clubman version was the Hampton. So this will be the only one as far as I know. These are new Lenzo Eagle 3 17 by 7.5J with an ET of 35. So giving it an offset and deep dish. I've changed out the Mini Cooper S side indicators to the Mini Mayfair indicators. I've also vinyl wrapped the roof in white and tinted all the rear windows in dark smoke. The front of the car has been resprayed and we've got a new tow eye cover, new spotlights, new fog lights, new grille and a new chrome surround on the grille as well. And of course we've got the new number plate R55 UUU. We brought two of my other minis to the show today, our yellow R52 Cooper S automatic, which my daughter's been driving with my grandson and my granddaughter, and we've also got my red Mini Cooper SE, the electric. So let me take you around Brayford Wharf and show you there's loads of minis here today.
Yeah. So what is
Lovely inside.
Their mother and her father.
Yeah.
I mean, that's okay. It's nice to do. That's what that is. Yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the big mini day, having a look round at all the fantastic minis, fantastic selection, a lovely day out. So hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoyed the review of my mini Clubman. I've still got some bits to do, and once it's completely finished, I'll make another final video on the mini Clubman. But in the meantime, thanks again for watching, and if you did enjoy the video, please give me a like, please subscribe, share and comment, and I'll always answer the comments. And in the meantime, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.